What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to diagnose a bad starter on this vehicle. This is a 2009 328i BMW and the starter is somewhere down there, which I have to change. Good luck to me. All right, I'm going to take a day off just for that. All right, so I'm going to do a video on that, but I do want to show you guys how to check it. So first of all, you got to remove the filter housing right there. I do have videos on that. Everything's off. This fuse box over here, you're gonna see you see this unlock here and unlock there. So both of those notches, this is gonna be sitting just like that. This black longer notches on this side. So you unlock, you pull on this tab, pull on that tab, or you can just lift it up. Same thing in the back here. There's two tabs and the cover comes off. Once you take off this cover, you're gonna have a green connector right here. All right, it's same for most of these cars. You see this thick white, this is the only thickest cable in here. I mean thick white color wire right here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna back probe this. I'm gonna have my friend crank the car. So we got our test light right there, and then you see this, I grounded right here. So what this does is when you push the key, when you push the start button, this sends a signal all the way down to the starter, right to this is a control cable, right to right here, and the starter should ignite and fire up. The solenoid here should click, but that's not happening. Check this out. So go ahead, push start, key. Okay, so I'm gonna tell them to press and watch this test light illuminate. Go ahead, there you go, that's it. Shut it off, take out the key, close the door. I don't want the battery inside dying on this little guy. So the starter is bad. Starter has two bolts, but you need to take out the whole intake. I'm gonna do a video on that. You're gonna see how I do that. But we have just confirmed that the wire is getting power. The starter is not engaging. At least this should crank over, you know. And that's how you're gonna diagnose, just by that green connector right there. The thickest cable right there is the one right there. The fat cable by itself, right here. This one on the top. And that goes straight to the starter, right to over here. Usually on like Hondas and Toyotas, I would go down there and back probe it right here, because the cable can be broken somewhere, which I doubt is broken anywhere. I'll check that out later. But since it's so complicated you can't even get to it, that's the only first to check. I have simply bypassed the fuse, relay, neutral switch, your ignition switch, your key. Everything is working if that thing illuminates. So one thing you have to do is just take your test light and check that out. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one, and check out the video when I change this guy.